So, and the Indian solar energy sector will have, one can look at it in two ways. One is the generation side, and the other is the manufacturing side. So, Adani Solar has a significant presence in the manufacturing side. Our different group company is responsible for the generation part of the business. So, I will speak about the manufacturing side. And in manufacturing, Adani Solar continues to be among the largest fully integrated manufacturer of solar modules with 4 gigawatt capacity of cell and modules both. And recently, or very soon to be operational, 2 gigawatts of ingot wafer manufacturing capacity. So we will be the only company in the country that will be manufacturing ingots and wafers. So we are currently, the product we have in the market, which is monoPERC modules, bifacial modules. These are very well utilized in rooftop market. We have a distribution network across all states of India. Our distributors are present in all these states, and they are successfully retailing this product for rooftop application. So we command almost 50 to 60% of the total rooftop market in the country. Across the various states, our rooftop business, the business that we achieve through our modules, that is almost 50 to 60% market share is with Adani. We are not into any collaboration, but yes, we have showcased the TOPCon product, that is the latest N-type technology of modules, and that is a higher wattage module with lower temperature coefficient and lower degradation. So that is the new module that we have introduced, and we are going to be shipping this product from November onwards. We have different entities within our group that are into each part of this value chain. So we are manufacturing, then there is another group company that does the implementation or the development piece. Then we are evaluating various technologies from a storage standpoint. Of course, we have a wind turbine manufacturing business also that allows us to kind of create a uniform generation across the 24 hours, because when solar is not operational, wind can start delivering the power. So we are solving some of the solar's time related or time of day related demand problems by combining it with wind, making it a hybrid. But at the same time, on storage side particularly, if we are still evaluating various technologies for deciding on whether and which technology we want to go with. Currently we do focus for large scale storage problems. We do favor the pump storage systems. Like I said, we are currently India's maybe the largest fully integrated cell and module manufacturer. We will continue to try and hold on to this position, because we are now expanding to 10 gigawatt, which will not only be cells and modules like we have today, but we'll also do a further backward integration of manufacturing ingots, wafers, polysilicon also, maybe MG silica also. So we will continue to remain a significant player in this domain, and we believe the future is bright for this industry, and we will take our share in this business. Sustainability becomes important every day of our life, primarily from the point of view, what are we doing to ensure that we don't degrade the environment around us any further, that we leave a green earth for our next generation. And one of the major approaches to ensuring sustainability would be to be able to use more renewable energy as compared to fossil fuel. And with the solar ecosystem that we have created, we are enabling ability to generate more renewable energy, and that should overall help the entire sustainability effort that the human race is now involved in. So large part of the panel, if you really evaluate the panel constitution, so the top of the panel is a glass. Glass is always recyclable. The basic raw material used in the solar cells and panels is polysilicon, which is silica actually. So with some purification process you can reuse the polysilicon. There is a lot of precious metal used, silver paste, etc. in the module manufacturing. Those can be recovered. So I am confident, and I am also aware that a lot of businesses are being set up from a recycling point of view, and that will also be a major industry going forward. We will see a lot of recycling businesses come up, and that should help ensure that the modules remain a truly sustainable product. We may not be the leaders yet, but we are marching forward very aggressively. China is way ahead in terms of capacities, but I think the way our government has announced the PLI scheme and some of the other schemes, Indian manufacturers are stepping up, and we are poised to reach maybe 100 gigawatts of module capacity in next couple of years. So that should be a good landmark. We will continue to be the second largest manufacturer of solar panels in the world.